motherfucking DRE. Nah, nigga. Guess who's back? Still doing that shit, Andre. For sure. Yeah. Check it out. It's still Dre Day, nigga. AK, nigga. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say straight fell off. How, nigga, my last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say raps change, they wanna know how I feel about it. You ain't up on that.
Who out there smoking weed?
Is the name, I'm ahead of my game. Still pumping my leaf, still fuck with the beat. Still not loving police. Still rock my khakis with a cup and a crease. Still got love for the streets, living 213. Still the beat bang, still doing my thing. Since I left, ain't too much change. Still, I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world. Still, hitting them counters and them lolos, girl. Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. I'm representing for them gangsters.
Y'all got love for West Coast hip hop,
hitting them counters and them lolos, girl. Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
How many of y'all ready for the king of the motherfucking West Coast? Minnesota, make some noise for